What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I'm actually doing a follow-up video to the video I did of the S Pen insert and removal sound.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Now, I got a few comments asking how to do certain things, and I felt the best way to answer you guys is just to do another video to show you exactly how it's done.
Spectacular Gadgets.
A few things that I will cover in this video are how to adjust the volume of the insert and removal sound of the S Pen, as well as how to remove the sound completely if you just don't want it enabled. For this, you'll need your S Pen capable device, as well as the Pentastic app.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Really? Can't you just use your finger?
Push one of the volume keys to display this, tap on the three dots, and then the first one with the little wrench icon is the one that you're going to have to adjust to be able to decrease or increase that S Pen sound.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Really? Can't you just use your finger?
So more than likely you do not want the sound that loud. So again, press on one of the volume keys, press the three dots, and now go ahead and adjust the volume to the desired level.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Really? Can't you just use your finger?
Now to remove the sound for the people who do not want the sound at all, make sure to have the S Pen out and then click on the little S Pen floaty icon. Then once this is open, select the gear. This will open up your S Pen settings. Now what you're going to want to do is scroll down and we're going to want to select more settings. So we see more S Pen settings, click on that. Now just go ahead down to the sounds part of the menu. So we see it down here, and as you see, mine is toggled on. Go ahead and toggle that off, and this will remove the sound when you replace or remove the S Pen. Now I'm going to press the volume key, press the three dots, and I'm going to put the volume all the way to the max and show you what happens now. I changed my mind. I want the sound back on again, so I'll toggle on the sound and then I'll replace the S Pen back into the device.
Spectacular Gadgets.
And as you see, the sound is on. Now I'm going to remove the pen from the device.
Really? Can't you just use your finger?
And there is the sound replaced. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Later.